Our following section is predictions. As of right now, we have the following predictions available, which are all made with machine learning, and we will be adding more as time goes by. But for now, we offer the following predictions or projections. For example, user selects a player, let's say Travis Simpson. So we have a points prediction algorithm. Basically, if you want to know based on the data that the app has, which it takes from the data set that we upload, it analyzes the data and it makes predictions. For example, if Travis Simpson shoots 7 times, based on historical data, he would score 6 points, not 14 points, or maybe even more than 21. But based on the data, the app is telling us that Travis Simpson would score 6 points. And these predictions are very accurate because we use machine learning models. And although not every prediction can be 100% accurate, these predictions are very accurate. And we offer also an interpretation for the prediction. For example, for the points prediction, the app tells us if Travis Simpson attempts 7 field goals, this model predicts that he will score approximately 6.19 points. And you keep in mind that predictions are based on historical data. We also offer an approximate value predictor. So you can predict 5 games from now or 10 games from now, what will the approximate value be of the selected player? So let's switch a player. Let's use Harvey Grant the third, and we want to know in 13 games his approximate value would be. The dark blue line shows us the game number, so game 1, 2, 3, up until 12 or 13. And the blue line, the light blue line, is the predicted approximate value. So based on the data, it looks like the approximate value of Harvey Grant would be increasing as each game goes by. So you can change, maybe you want to do 6 games instead of 13. So you have a pretty good idea that 3 games from now, if historical data is correct, it's going to show this value. The next prediction feature we have is a 5-game forecast points performance predictor, where user selects a player, and here on the x-axis we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 games, and their frame is probably going to stay near his average, 14 points per game. But this helps to see if, based on the data, it looks like his points performance will decrease, increase, or stay the same. We also have a winning prediction feature for teams. So for example, in the case of Fuerza Regia, here user can select the opponent. Let's say we want to see Fuerza Regia plays Astros, and the app tells us that to increase the likelihood of winning against Astros, based on the data, Fuerza Regia needs to score around 80 points. So again, all these predictions are made using the data set. It's all made on historical data. And again, we will be adding more different types of predictions for players and for teams. But these machine learning models really help us understand the future performance of either players or teams. So let's continue with our next section, search and compare.